Hello and welcome to episode 11 of the Academ Web platform. Today we're going to be reviewing the Analyze Statistics module. So basically this module is responsible for collecting all the performance related information about a student with respect to particular subjects at their place of learning. For example, in this case you can actually see that there is a date and a time and the nature of the assigned classwork and the type of the statistics and the individual subjects listed in a tabulated format. This module just allows you to actually close collaborate and drill down on the actual marks that a student actually scored at their place of learning. For example, here maybe I would want to see maybe a trend of how many 56% have been scored by the student over the course of the period. I can just write 56% here, and as you can see it filters my results criteria to all the marks that have a 56% tag. For example, here there is 56% in English, 56% in English again, and there is 56% in mathematics and 56% in general paper or content. So this module just allows you to actually filter down and drill down the marks that your child is actually scored over a period of time, so that you can get very detailed analysis of what is actually happening with respect to your child at their place of learning. This module also allows you to actually filter by the type or the nature of the assigned classwork. For example, as a parent, if I would like to see maybe the homework that my child has been assigned over the past week, past month, I just type homework, and as you can see it filters all your results criteria by the key tag of homework, so that you see all the homework assigned files and the marks that we actually scored for each individual subject criteria. You can even filter by tests as well. So you can see it filters by just the tests that the students actually scored. So this is just a way for actually micromanaging the student performance information, and any deviations that may be happening, you can actually monitor them here and see what is actually happening in terms of trend analysis. It should be understood that this module works hand in hand with the subject statistics module. So basically here all the information that is scored by a student in relation to specific subject is shown here in real time, and a summary comment is highlighted here by the teacher. But then when you want to see this information drilled down as a trend, you just go to Analyze Statistics module. So here you can actually see the marks in a tabulated format. So for example, if I want to see this 56% in English, I just go here on subject statistics, and if I go downwards here, you can actually see that there is a lot of marks that are there, and then here you have your 56%. So it collects all the information amongst different dates and different time scales, and it populates all this information in one central place and Analyze Statistics here. So these modules work hand in hand intelligently, so that you can have the best information that you would want pertaining your child at any particular point in time. So in summary, I can say that this Analyze Statistics module is just there to analyze patterns and trends of a student in relation to the subjects that they are actually undertaking at their place of learning, and the performance marks that they're actually getting, and any other comments that have been highlighted by a teacher, so that the parent and the teacher can actually find ways to collaborate effort towards improving the child with relation to performance-based statistics at their place of learning. That is just all about subject statistics module. Be sure to catch us on the next episode as we will review the Analyze Behavior module. Thank you. Good.